him. Nasa car seat na siya. At dahil nasa third floor kami, kaya ihahatid nila ako ng wheelchair.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, you just push it down, and then when
That'll
you push
loosen
it down,
back
you
on
pull
this.
it.
Okay.
Yep. Is this enough to last you? Or
Uwi na kami, guys. Tignan nyo yung baby namin, oh.
Going home.
We're going home. Kailangan nakaganto yung baby. Bawal siyang, anong tawag dito? Bawal siyang kargahin pag nasa sasakyan.
Boy, I never ever use those clips too. You see those hooks and everything?
Yeah. See, kailangan nakaganyan siya para safety ang baby. Tapos kailangan yung nanay katabi. It's warm here, babe.
What do you mean?
No air condition?
You want air conditioned?
Yeah, it's warm. See? Nakatulog siya.
I don't want the baby to be cold.
Just a little bit. Ganyan. Kaya kailangan comfortable yung baby sa car seat. Tapos
Babe, I'm gonna have to probably go to
Buckle.
Walmart, go pick up some Similac, and try to get him an outfit a lot smaller.